and welcome to WordPress Tip of the Week. This is week number 48. Okay, so now let's go get the tracking code for this website. So to do that, you're going to go over to Property, and then you're going to click on Tracking Info, and then you're going to get Tracking Code. Alright, now here's your tracking ID number, and if you scroll down slightly, right here is your script that will be inserted. So all we have to do is just highlight everything and then just copy it, doing a Control-C, or you can right-click and select copy that way. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to take this script and put it within the header. Now, sometimes you can do it through your WordPress theme. I actually prefer to do it through the cPanel. So let's log in. And then what we're going to do is go to File Manager, Public HTML, WP Content, Themes, and now we're going to go into the child theme. Because what happens is, if you put it in the parent theme and the theme gets updated, you lose your analytics code, goes bye-bye. So that's why you want to put it in child. So we're going to edit it. Okay, so now it's very simple. Basically what we're looking for is we're looking for the head tag and we're looking for the closing head tag. So what you want to do is you want to put it right before the closing head tag. So what we're going to do is we're going to insert a couple spaces and then we're just going to paste in the script. Let's delete a little bit. There you go. And click on Save Changes. And that is it. So now let's verify that it's there. So let's go to our website. Also, just as an FYI, I'm already logged in to WP Admin. This is why you're seeing the black bar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this and I'm going to go ahead and log out. All right, so let's go to the site itself. And now you'll see that the WP Admin bar is gone. To do that is very simple. Basically, we're just going to right click and go Inspect Element. And now what we're doing is we're looking for the word Analytics. So let's go ahead and do a Control F. I'm going to type in the word Analytics, if I can spell it correctly. Analytics. Oops, I didn't spell it correctly. Analytics. Sorry about that. Okay, now there's one of two in here right now. Okay, so here is the calling of the analytics.javascript file. Now, as you can see, it says one of two. So if we hit enter again, now you're going to see the Google Analytics code, and right here, UA and this number, this is my unique Google Analytics code. So if you see that, then you know it's installed and you know it's working correctly. And that's all there is to it with Google Analytics. And it's a great way to track who comes to your site, what they do on the site, where they go on the site, and other different things. So that wraps up this chapter. Well, that wraps up this week's WordPress Tip of the Week. I invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. And until next week, take care. Bye.